Today's dish is General Tso ribs. I'm using the rib tips, and they are just absolutely delicious. With General Tso sauce, it's a little sweet, little tangy, and with a little kick. It's just so good, literally finger licking good. Let's first coat ribs with a dry batter mix. Make sure it's dry. Then we're going to add oil to the pan. Make it sure it's hot. Then we add ribs. Brown both sides. We're going to add garlic. Stir. Then we're going to add sauce. Cover and let it simmer for about 15 minutes or until done. Add chili, zucchini, and then red onions. Stir about 30 seconds until the vegetables completely done. The food is ready. Look at this beautiful dish. So simple, so delicious. You got to try.
You can find Ying's Kitchen sauces with recipes right on the bottle at many local grocery stores. Go to yingskitchen.com for locations and more recipes.